So I'm here doing the oil change on the 2007 Audi Q7. That's the drain pan right there, as you can see. It's draining. Takes 10 quarts of oil, of course. It's not bad, it's a lot. It's almost done. And it's actually the part to take it off. You need a T40 to take it off. No? Pause the video and show y'all how it look. This right here is what it look like. The drain plug screw. And you need a T40 to get it out, to take it off. You see it? Pause the video again. Okay, I'm back. This right here is the T40. That's what the T40 look like. See it? T40. You need a 32 socket. Take off the filter. The filter is located on the here. It's right there. That's the top post filter. That's where you use the 32. Take off the filter, and of course takes 10 quarts of oil. 5W30 full synthetic Castro Edge. And that's about it.
Do it how they make it, Alexa.
There you go. Last but not least, the best thing. You know, Castro Edge. You already know. I'm gonna show y'all how the filter look like. I had already changed it.